Good evening, everyone. We are here in Amba's residence to celebrate the birthday of my sister-in-law, Ma'am Joby Amba. Yo, happy birthday, te.
Thank you.
And
Wala nice ba ayo ba yun?
budol fight, bikaran.
Wala nice guys.
Yeah.
And then, after budol fight, sabi nita, okay, ano yung akong bayaw? Jobyos Amba. Okay. Muna mo ang salo-saluhan karon nga gabi. Special. Muna mong chief cook si Kuya Julius. Okay, once again, good evening.